Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a little airbrush sort of step by step. I'm going to show you how to easily spray a starburst. Now a starburst is used on, I've used it on numerous pieces of artwork. You can use it on lettering. It's like a little highlight sort of ching that goes at the side of like text, or if you're doing a bit of artwork and you need, it's like a little bright spot, like a highlight where the light catches it and just puts some real sharp reflection out. Does look really cool on artwork when you put it on pieces, on them real high point pieces where it's like the light's hitting it, just drop a little starburst in. Or in background scenes where stars are, you can do little highlights like that. So nice and easy to do. The bits that you're going to need to make this little gadget that I'll show you, you'll need a craft knife, some masking tape. I've got a piece of white card. This is like a smooth piece of light. It's not that thick a piece of card. And we've got some black card so we can do the actual, I can show you the actual demo on a piece of black, because you need a dark background for this to show up. So the first thing you're going to need to do, get your piece of card. I've not got a ruler to hand, and just cut a straight line down. I'll just use the two end pieces. So you are aiming for two pieces like this. And then what you need to do is slide the two pieces together. If I put that on the black card, you'll see it a little bit easier. So you're getting your two pieces of white paper, slide them together so you've got a gap about 2 mil thick down the centre. So you're looking at a little tiny blank line down the side. Get some masking tape, and then just tack the pieces together like that. So you're looking at the two pieces of card joined together top and bottom with the masking tape, and you've got a even slit down the centre like that. Fold your overhanging bit of masking tape over like that, just to join it together. That's a bit long, so we'll slice that and fold that one over. So now you've got yourself a starburst shield. Nice and easy. Two pieces of cardboard or paper, you can use paper. This is like a thick sort of smooth card, not really thick, it doesn't look that thick at all. So that's your little stencil, and you can keep that. Use this loads of times. If you've got some of like the Maillet like plastic that you get like the fire stencils and things like that cut out of, you can do the same with that. Just cut two lines, join it together so you've got a gap down the centre, and that's your stencil made for the next step. We've got some white. I've mixed a bit of solvent based white in here. I'm going to be using the PS771 as it was the last brush in the last video, and it's all cleaned and good to go. So I'll stick you on the cap cam, I'll set the easel up, and we'll do some starbursts. A little bit of the white paint. Now as you can see there, as this is solvent, it's really soaking into this card. This card's quite a grainy cardboard, so we will do the best we can. So you've got your stencil like that, which has got the little slit in it, as you can see. So hold that up to your piece of black card and aim for the centre sort of here. And what you're aiming to do is spray, and you're sort of moving up and down. We'll have a look, see how that's come out. So you're aiming for that. So you've got a soft fade here and a soft fade here. Now the best way to do that is spray and then move back, and it will give you that soft, and then flip your card round the opposite way and then do the same that way, and you're left with your cross like that. So we'll do one on here as well. Like that, and then aim for the centre, and then just highlight out and just fog back like that. And that's how you create a starburst. You can always do another. It's hard to see where you're. Well, you've got to get it bang on in the centre. But you can put another cross in that way. So we'll do another one there. And you can make it tighter by, the finer you can get this joined together on your pieces of cardboard, the sharper that will be. So one that way, like that. And then one that way, and then drop it to the centre, build that white up in the centre and just back off, and you can just fog out like that, and that's how you create a simple starburst, nice and easy piece of paper, nice and quick to do, look really effective on backgrounds and things like that. Nice and quick. And you can just keep building your white up in the centre, make it nice and bright on the dot in the middle. So a nice little cool, easy done technique that just adds a little bit of bling to your artwork, makes it pop, and especially on like a scene like in a space scene where you've got the little dots that go around it like that, like stars, gives you that little bright effect. If you're doing like a moon sort of like landscapey type background, you can add these as them little highlight spots. There's a nice little quick one for you on a little starburst. It makes your artwork pop just where you need it. You haven't got to go overkill with the starbursts, but it is nice just to drop in. It's an old school airbrush sort of technique that was used from probably the beginning of airbrushing, but it does look cool on a piece of artwork. So nice and simple on that little demo there, and it's nice and easy to make. That was just a piece of cardboard, cut it so you've got both two straight edges, bring them together so you've got that nice little gap in the middle, join it top and bottom with a piece of masking tape, and that's your stencil. You've always got it, nice and easy to make, and that's how you'll do a nice quick easy starburst. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.